So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to share your folders from drive to email. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Drive app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now this is the screen of your drive, and to share your folder you should have to tap on your folder or log into your folder. Now you should have to tap on three dot which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Then you will see the option of share, so tap on it. Then type our email address like this, and you should have to choose option like viewer, commenter or anything. Then tap on send icon. Now you have given access to that Gmail as well. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.